What's good, YouTube? It's your boy SS Marco. I'm back at it again with a video for y'all. Today we're gonna be installing this spoiler. I got it painted. I got the car over there. Gonna get everything ready. It's painted. It's kind of dirty right now, but it's been sitting here for like 3 days. So now I think it's the day to put it on. Let's get straight into the video. So I got all the toolbox right here, my drill. We're gonna be taking these off, these 4 bolts right here. And then I think there's like 2 inside of this. But yeah, let's get it. So anyway, so far, I got my tools right here. I got these off, this. I'm taking this off. I got this piece all right there. But there's everything. There's 2 screws inside right there. Then boom, we're gonna start taking these screws off. Let's get it. Y'all, so we got a technical difficulty. I don't have an extension, so you're gonna need an extension to get the ones like deep in there. I didn't have one, so I'm about to go borrow one real quick. Give y'all a little cold start. Get that thing out there. But yeah, that's the spoiler right here, man. It's been sitting in my closet. It got painted earlier this week. I'm gonna let the car run for a little bit. It got painted earlier this week, and today I was like, you know what, I might as well put it on. So I'm gonna head to a dealership, borrow some tools real quick, and I'll put it on over there, and then I'll show it to y'all. So yeah, man, stay tuned. So I got the spoiler off. That's the aftermath. I'm about to prep this and so I can get ready for the other spoiler. Anyways, guys, got the spoiler on there. I'll show y'all what it look like. There it goes. It's the fitment. It's painted and everything. I just gotta take this off now. I might put the wicker bill on there. I don't know yet. So tell me what you guys think about it. Leave a like, comment, subscribe. It's been your boy SS Marco. Peace.